Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Many of you had inquired about the cargo. Yes, it has come and we had to go Kochi for clearance. My parents-in-laws were at home with us as well as my younger brother-in-law. My co-sister Sabina was with her parents at this time, hence you won't be able to see her in this video. My sister-in-law Shabna and family had to anyway go Kochi for some work. But my brother-in-law Shejin and family couldn't join. So finally, whoever was available joined to make it a beautiful trip. We planned to get out from home early around at 7 a.m. However, it got a bit late as I couldn't finish the packing the previous night due to other engagements. We got out by 8 a.m. We didn't have our breakfast from home, hence stopped on the way. The distance from home to the destination was around 165 km. That's about 4 hours journey. We booked our stay at Meridien. When we called up and inquired, they had a staycation package that included some entertainment for kids as well, which you'll see in the later part of the video. So there we are at the location. That's the Meridien Hotel. As I said earlier, it's a staycation package that we booked and it was just like home, away from home with parents, and though not all with us, still had a good time. I shall share their contact details in the description box whoever wants to enjoy some good time with family. You can contact them directly to know more about the package and other stuff. The initial procedure were going on and we were waiting until then.
How do you like that?
And finally got into our room. Sanitization was already done before entering the hotel, still keeping safe all time. We all were really tired from the long journey from home, hence took a nap for a while. That's my kurti from Amazon. This in fact I had shown earlier in one vlog, but wearing for the first time. It's very comfortable. I'm planning to order a few more of different colors. This again I'll share the link below. I have been to Kochi many times. My husband has his very close friends here. One among them is Murli and his family. So we went to meet them. Kids didn't join as they wanted to play with their cousins. So there we are at their residence. His mom stayed with them as well, and it was lovely to meet them all after so long. They have two beautiful daughters who were eagerly waiting to meet Rihan and Arman for the first time. Unfortunately, we weren't aware of that and they were a bit disappointed. Hopefully next time. As usual, tea and snacks over chats are always refreshing. That's a very beautiful view from their balcony. It was a bit cloudy and looked like it would rain that day. Back at the hotel, and there was some wedding function going on. We got fresh and went for dinner. My most favorite part is desserts, and there was delicious cakes and pastries. We had our dinner around at 8 and later we sat in the lobby itself. They do have a counter or a truck that serves some snacks and hot drinks. This is available for anyone, not just fully Méridien customers. It's near the entrance gate and they are open till 11 p.m. It was raining, but still we went over to enjoy some tea and coffee. As we already had our dinner, we didn't order anything to eat, just a cup of coffee to sip on. It was a beautiful morning, just like every morning. The breakfast is available from 8 till 11. We got up, became fresh, and went down around at 9. Later, me and Shabna took a walk around. As it had drizzled, it was quite wet everywhere, which made it even more beautiful to explore the surroundings. Later that day, around at 12 p.m., kids had cooking classes as a part of the staycation package, which I had mentioned in the beginning of the video. Kids were shown two of their favorite dishes. One is pizza and another one pasta.
The mozzarella cheese. Onion.
It was a simple chicken pizza that tasted absolutely delicious. Second one was a pasta recipe. Heated some olive oil, a few garlic crushed and onion chopped. That's a bit of pasta sauce. Basil leaves. Seasoned with some salt, pepper and some dried oregano. Mix the pasta. That's Parmesan cheese and drizzle some olive oil again. Finally, some chopped parsley. Garnished with some Parmesan cheese and cherry tomato. That was another delicious one. And that was an amazing stay with our family at Méridien. I guess I forgot to talk about the cargo in this video. Yes, it has arrived safely at home. Not sure when I'll be unpacking all, as I need to check the space I need to keep everything in a neat way, and only then I'll be unpacking it. But I'll show you a bit more of it in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do give a thumbs up if you loved it and do pass your valuable comments below. Take care everyone, stay safe and bye-bye.